It's like one action for different countries, and this workshop, of course, this idea is connecting with these pictures. I mean, the market at the backstage, where we can find a lot of rubbish, like, you know, empty boxes and like a little bit squeezed vegetables or fruits and everything. And we were thinking about some kind of actions, like kind of happening just one day for everybody to go on the market, prepare our own place, and to do some like recycling workshop and trying to sell the things from the rubbish which we found on this market. So it's like, you know, it's for showing the people that these things which they think they're not useful, we can make something really nice and creative. And we also were talking about recycling some food and prepare some meal for people from this vegetable, and just, you know, just for observing the how the people will react on this, if they like it or not, and just comparing the experience from different places. How was that?
Could also be with it that there might be some performances,
Yeah,
whatever,
course, yeah.
suddenly out on the street included.
Yeah, kind of.
I think the title is market, and things can be workshop and performance. I mean, because the title is market.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Market, yeah.
And
Also,
also,
market with different things, or what?
I mean, because around the market we have different ideas. Perhaps do a workshop,
Yeah.
like to how to, I don't know, how to use, give a second life to all these boxes, or perhaps do like a performance, like pretend we are selling all the rubbish, or a little action, or I mean, but all around the market we have had different ideas.
And it would have to be comparable between our countries.
Well, I didn't have,
Yeah.
well, for
No?
me, it's like doing this together.
Doing it together, okay.
No, it
So
could be.
it's like two ideas.
Yeah, yeah, could be one or the other. We
Certainly.
did not really finish this thing because, yeah, it's very, it's a lot of ideas behind this.
Yeah.
So it can be like an action in parallel, that everybody does this action everywhere at the same day or something, or doing one action.
Together at some meeting.
Yeah.
What, to do it at first together and then in the market?
Yes.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Trying out together and then
Yeah.
to
Say,
make
for example.
this, with this experience, go to their own country, and afterwards one point share this experience in their own countries. So that I can imagine very nice.